Today we're delving into the heart of industrial processes, the boiler system. Maintaining its peak performance and durability demands nothing short of meticulous care, and that's where water treatment steps into the limelight. Now, industrial water isn't your everyday H2O. It's a complex blend of minerals and gases, some of which are friends, while others not so much. Calcium and magnesium ions, for instance, team up to form scale, insulating heat transfer surfaces and giving efficiency a run for its money. And let's not forget dissolved oxygen, chlorides, and sulfates. They're like the mischief makers, causing corrosion leaks and potential system failures. So, what's in our toolkit to combat this? We've got boiler water alkalinity builders, corrosion inhibitors, anti-scale agents, oxygen scavengers, and sludge inhibitors. Think of them as the Avengers, each playing a unique role in safeguarding our boiler fortress. Now, the key is selecting the right chemical cocktail. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. We're talking about tailoring our approach based on the boiler type, operating conditions, water characteristics, and of course staying on the right side of the regulations. In addition, effective boiler treatment is a holistic endeavor. Regular water testing is our compass, guiding us through parameters like pH, conductivity, and hardness. Then there's the routine blowdown and sludge removal, a little housekeeping to prevent concentration and scaling. Now, this isn't a one-person job. Collaboration is key. Partnering with water treatment experts is like having a master strategist on your team. They tailor treatment programs to your specific needs, ensuring optimal boiler performance and a longer operational life. In conclusion, industrial boiler treatment is a science. Understand the water challenges, pick the right chemicals, and follow the best practices. Stay informed, stay efficient.
Thank you for spending time with us and our experts today. We're excited to continue this journey with you. For more water treatment insights and helpful resources, please visit us at GetChemREADY.com. And if you'd like a more personal connection, we're just a phone call away at 1-800-229-6801. We can't wait to connect with you again and explore your water projects together.